Today we'll demonstrate a compartment door replacement. Let's take the door off by first removing the struts and screw cover if equipped. Now remove all the screws from the frame and then shut the door.
Next is to cut the existing sealant to release it from the wall.
Pull the door free.
If equipped, take the old magnet or catch off the old door and place it on the new. Clean the surface with adhesive remover and then prep it with alcohol.
Prep the new door frame with putty or sealant.
Push the door into the opening and add a screw in each corner. Open and close the door to ensure a good fit that does not bind or gap. Adjust it if necessary and then install any remaining screws.
Use your putty stick or putty knife to remove any excess putty before sealing.
Seal around the edge, install the new screw cover if equipped. You're all set.